Looking to enhance your privacy on Telegram? In this updated tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to disable chat lock with Fingerprint. Let's get started. Begin by opening the Telegram app on your Android smartphone. Once you're in, tap on the three-line menu button located in the top left corner. Next, navigate to Settings. Within Settings, find and select Privacy and Security. Under the Security section, look for Passcode Lock and tap on it. Now, locate the option for Unlock with Fingerprint and simply turn it off. By following these straightforward steps, you can disable the feature that allows unlocking chat locks with your fingerprint on Telegram. Protect your conversations and ensure your privacy by taking control of your security settings. Disabling the chat lock with Fingerprint adds an extra layer of security to your Telegram account. Remember, safeguarding your chats is crucial in today's digital landscape. Keep your messages secure and maintain your privacy by disabling the Fingerprint Unlock feature on Telegram. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips on enhancing your online security. Stay safe and secure in your messaging experience on Telegram.